Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, we are going to see how we can control the speed of the video in Filmora. So let's get started. So this is the normal. I have taken one video. This is the normal speed. So let's say I will full screen this and play. So this is the normal speed, and let's say we want to decrease the speed of this particular video. We can simply double click on the video and we get bunch of options. So over here in the speed section, or you can simply right click and go to speed. It will take you to the same place. Now from here, now presently this speed is 1x, that is normal speed. If you want to decrease the speed, that is you want to make the video in slow motion, then we can decrease the speed like so. And now if I play the same video, we will get the result something like this. As you can clearly see, the video is in slow motion. Now contrast to this, if you want to increase the speed, ramp up the speed, we can simply increase the speed, let's say 2, and again, and once we increase the speed, obviously the duration will decrease, and similarly when we decrease the speed, the duration will increase. So let's say we go to full screen again and play. So as you can see, this is now ramped up, speed is ramped up, increased. Again I'm going to simply press 1 on the keyboard, and this is again normal speed. And if you want to reverse the video, we can simply click on the reverse speed button. So turn on, and if you go to view and full screen, so let's say I will bring it over here. As you can clearly see, it is now reverse. The video is in reverse. So this is how we can reverse the speed or reverse the video by using this particular button. Now if you want to adjust the speed manually, let's say in some parts you want slow motion, in some parts you want more speed or ramped up speed, so we can simply go to speed ramping. First I have already turned this off. Now in this particular area we can choose various options. Now as you can see, this is the normal speed, 1x is the normal speed, and this is now increased. The speed has increased according to this graph, now decrease. So let's say how it looks. Play. So increased, and as you can see at the end it became normal speed. So if you want to change it, we can change it here, or you can simply go to customize. So let's say at the beginning I want normal speed, then I want slow motion. And if you want to add these points, you can simply click on plus button, plus, and we can see the preview over here. So let's say in this particular area I want it slow motion. Once they enter the turn, I want the speed to be increased. Again I want slow motion like so. So if we now play the video, we will get the result something like this, slow motion. As you can see, now ramp up, again slow motion, and then normal speed. So according to our liking, we can increase or decrease the speed. Let's say you want to reveal something. Let's say someone has bought a new car and you want to make a car reveal video. It can be anything, something reveal video. So you can simply, while the curtain is being removed, we can slow the video down, and again once it is removed we can ramp up the speed. So something like that, we can use this particular graph and we can control the speed of the video. And if you want to reset, you can simply click on the reset again. And if you want to add, delete, we can add, delete. This is zoom button. Let's say I want to delete this, we can simply delete. If you want to add, we can add as many points as we want like so. This is slow motion, this is ramping up in decreased speed and increased speed. So it is very simple to control the speed of the video in Filmora again. And we can also reverse the speed, or we can simply reverse the video in Filmora pretty easily. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.